Hello my friends. In this tutorial today we will learn how to import listings from an RSS feed into classified listing. First, from the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the classified listing and click on Export or Import. This opens the Export Import settings page. From the available tabs, click on RSS feeds. Now we are on the Add-on RSS or Add-on Feed section, which allows us to pull listings automatically from any RSS or add-on source. In the feed URL field, paste the RSS feed URL that you want to import. Next, optionally enter a name in the label field to help identify this feed letter. For schedule, we will keep the default option of manual only. Next, click the test feed button. This plugin will connect to the RSS source and display a preview of the available feed items. Once everything looks correct, click Save Feed. This feed is now processed and the import begins. We also have action buttons such as Run Now and Delete for managing the feed later. After a few moments, a success message appears showing imported 10, updated 0 and skipped 0. Next, let's verify the imported listings. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Classified Listing and click Listings. As you can see, the imported listings have now been created automatically. The newly imported items including these followings. Each listings has also been assigned to its corresponding category. The imported listings are currently marked as pending because the listing status was set according to the global default configuration. After clicking on Edit, it will take you to the listing details page where you can see all the details information about your created listing. Following by same process, you can do it further for your other listings. Here I am showing you the process for another example. And that's how you can quickly import listings from any RSS or add-on feed using classified listing. Thank you for watching.